Hello, my name is Kevin Smith. This is my video for week 4. Video about chronic wasting disease, CWD, and its effects on moose and deer. It's a disease that was discovered in 1960 in Colorado and Wyoming in mule deer. It's since then been discovered in 22 other states and in Europe, especially in Norway. It's transmitted through saliva, blood, fecal. It's recently been discovered in ticks in a herd of elk in Colorado, where the ticks were taken off the deer and then examined and found that they were carrying the CWD. It's a disease that affects their neurological system and makes them basically into zombies where they wander around aimlessly. It shuts down everything and they just simply die after a period of time. It's a disease that has been discovered in Norway and in semi-wild animals and wild animals. It's spreading pretty much throughout the deer population in the United States. It's a deadly disease for all deer, moose, caribou, mule deer. It's a horrible way to die. So I'm asking you to reach out to your local game and fish departments, your conservation offices, and state legislation offices to see if you can prompt them to fund more research to get on board and educate the public. So I urge you to get out there, learn as much as you can, and help stop this horrible disease that's spreading much quicker than anyone, I believe, thinks. It's declined the population of moose in the northern states, Michigan, North Dakota, Montana, Wyoming. These states are the moose population has declined quite a bit from this disease, and it's a disease that could possibly wipe them out if not taken care of. So again, reach out to your local offices and learn as much as you can and see if we can push toward more education and further research. Thank you.